welcome to Yellow Pages Nursing. In today's video, we'll be discussing about Parkland formula for burns. Before entering into the topic, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon to receive instant notifications. Let's get into the session. Parkland formula or Baxter formula was derived by Dr. Charles Rufus Baxter. It is used to calculate the amount of replacement fluid required for the first 24 hours in a burn patient in order to maintain the hemodynamic status of the patient. And this formula is especially used in case of second or third degree of burns. As we all know, first degree burns are the superficial burns, and second degree are partial thickness burns, and third degree are full thickness burns. Now, the Parkland formula is as it goes: 4 ml multiplied by TBSA, that is total body surface area in percentage, multiplied by body weight in kilogram. If we know the total body surface area and body weight of the patient, it is very easy to calculate the amount of fluid. Next is total body surface area. The size of a burn can be quickly estimated by using the rule of nines. This method divides the body's surface area into percentages, and here it is. Head or neck carries 9% of total body surface area. Each arm is 9%. Anterior thorax is 18%. Posterior thorax is 18%. Each leg carries 18% of the total body surface area, and the perineum carries 1%. Note that a patient's palm is approximately 1% of total body surface area and can be used to estimate the patchy areas. With pediatric patients, the head is a proportionally larger contributor to body surface area, while the upper legs contribute less. This difference is reflected in the slight differences noted in the pediatric patients. Now, let's get into the example. First example, patient has burns on both the legs. So, the Parkland formula is 4 ml multiplied by total body surface area multiplied by body weight. Body weight here is 50 kg for example, and the total body surface area is calculated as 18 plus 18, which gives 36. And as per the formula, it is 4 ml multiplied by 36 multiplied by 50, which gives 7200 ml. In this, 50% is given in the first 8 hours and 50% is given in the next 16 hours. Therefore, 3600 ml is given in the first 8 hours and 3600 ml given in the next 16 hours, which will be the lactated Ringer's solution. Let's get into the next example. Here, patient has burns on both the legs and one of the arms, and body weight for example is 50 kg. Total body surface area is calculated by 9 plus 18 plus 18, which gives 45%, and applying all in the formula, it is 4 ml multiplied by 45 multiplied by 50, which gives 9000 ml, and 50% is given in the first 8 hours, 50% is given in the next 16 hours. Hence, 4500 ml for the first 8 hours and 4500 ml will be given for the next 16 hours. Here also, the solution is lactated Ringer solution, and most commonly used solution for the replacement is Ringer lactate. The very important point to note is, while giving care for the burns patient, it is very essential to monitor the vital signs and intake and output chart every 1 hour. And this is all about today's video regarding Parkland formula or Baxter formula for calculating the replacement fluid for a burns patient in case of second or third degree burns. If you find this video useful, please like it and please subscribe it, and do not forget to hit the bell icon to receive instant notification.